What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Redcat Shredder for us. I got the shredder out. Just want to run her today. The shredder ain't bad. It's a nice big scale RC for cheap. If you handle the diff problem, like shim them right or switch them out. I haven't done neither, but I had it for like about 2 years. Only thing I ever gave out on me was my servo. That's the only thing I ever gave out on me. Pretty fast. I never did a speed test on this though. I don't think I ever did a dirty bash on this. That tire is ballooning a lot. I think it's becoming unglued. Yeah, let me see. My battery post is hanging out. Be right back. These tires can't handle nothing, that's all. Got good handling though. Shocks is pretty good. It could be better, but shocks ain't bad. For the price of this car, it's not bad at all. A lot of people call this a junk piece of junk. I beg to differ, because I had this for a minute. And you see how I'm running it. And they haven't given me only the servo. Only the servo gave out on me. It's nice and stable. The shocks are okay. Could be better, but that thing. Oh yeah, and the system blew out on me. I got a different system in here. Same motor, different ESC. Same motor, different ESC. I bought this ESC off of Amazon. The Amazon special cost like $80-something. I don't even remember the name of it, but it's been working for a minute. thing is a monster, man. I really don't dislike too many RCs. But if it's bad, it's bad. This ain't really bad. You see I don't flee. It's hard to flip. Nice and stable. Tire seat help. And I just said it don't flip. And it flipped. I don't know what's going on. I heard a pop noise. And yeah, it overheated on me. Thing about this ESC, I blew the fan out. So I'm gonna have to replace the fan and all that good stuff. Tell me what you think. Think this a good buy or a piece of crap? I like the shredder. There's nothing wrong with the shredder. If it can handle my abuse, it's a pretty good car. I like to give a shout out to the RC Discount Superstore. I like to give a shout out to all my subscribers and people that watch my videos. I give a shout out to Mog RC, Models, Island RC Duke, Linden 215 RC. Those guys always show support to my channel, and I much appreciate it. But as always, hit that like button, subscribe. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.